beautiful.
Pink in Bangkok and it's huge.
Oh, it's kind of cute on the pink. I'm just get yelled at. Things when I'm about to buy something.
Yay! Yes. Happy full moon.
Here, let me squeeze it.
There we go.
Everyone, come here.
Woohoo!
I'm scared.
I'm excited.
Đậm quá đấy.
Cơ khủng.
Ai?
So, đắp qua. Đắp qua.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Con đi kìa vô kìa. Garlic and spring onion. Just one spoon garlic, one spoon. Everybody have like it for the drink.
So pretty. Wow.
Salt? No, just maybe have for vegetarian first. Yeah, already. That's it.
Nice video. Thanks. Yum. We did a boat ride with the lanterns, made a wish to the full moon. Where's she at? When guys in banana t-shirts buy you free drinks.
That's stupid. No. They're strong though.
They're so strong. Hello, good morning friends. I'm just on a lovely walk this morning in HOI AN and I just wanted to say hi. I just went to the market and got myself bananas that I already ate. He was asking if I wanted to go on a boat tour and then I got this weird fruit that I've never seen before, so I'm excited to try it. I think someone at our homestay the other day, a little boy was eating it and he let us try it, so I forget what it's called, but we're gonna try it. It's gonna be great. It's so beautiful out this morning. Oh, that sun is bright. HOI AN is very beautiful and definitely like a chiller city than Hanoi was. But I'm kind of wishing we spent another day in Phang Nga because it was just like so peaceful and nature. Here is definitely still a city, but it is nice. I got this dress yesterday, so I'm feeling really cute. And Christy and I woke up early this morning to try to get some pics before all the craziness and all the tourists and before it was too hot. So I just wanted to pop on and say hi and talk about Vietnam a little bit. Like, Vietnam is crazy. I would say 10 out of 10, the best thing about Vietnam is the food. The food is so good. It's been my favorite part. I would say the nature is number 2. The cities, I'm honestly not a big fan of, but I'm not a big city girl anyways. Like, I would much rather be on the beach or hiking or in the forest or something. Yeah, another thing that's actually been really difficult in Korea, maybe I'll sit down. I wonder if there's a little shady spot over here. In Korea, I was like alone all the time. I was very grounded, you know, I had my routine. And here, I'm just like completely uplifted from my routine, obviously, and just haven't found ways to ground myself. The first few days were kind of rough, not gonna lie, of just running around doing the most, and now I'm like, I never want to do the most again. I just want to wander around, eat good food, meet people, and just kind of chill. So I'm thinking of some ways to ground during traveling, because that has just really been the most difficult part. So I wrote, despite all of the struggles that we've had with, you know, the buses, and Christy's health and stuff has been kind of a struggle, but despite all of that, I'm so extremely grateful for my time here. Clearly there's lessons in all of this. So I wrote morning walks alone, so I can maybe get a nice cup of coffee to journal and reflect and just kind of breathe. Trying to do yoga when I can in the morning, even for just like 5 minutes, a nice stretch. 3 magical sighs. Yeah, those are good. Days not filming or taking pictures, to just, you know, live in the moment and enjoy it. Find something creative to do, whether it's writing poetry, drawing, dancing, just moving, just something creative to get my like juices flowing. Make time to journal daily and pause with my thoughts. I'm finally caught up now, so I feel like I can free write whatever I want. And eat food slowly and maybe pray a little bit before, take breaths, and just kind of really ground into the moment of eating and with meals, because the food is so good here. So it feels good to do things a little bit slower. And also just practice gratitude in kind of the sticky situations, you know, with the train. Like, I guess I'm grateful that there is a train that can get us from point A to point B, and I'm grateful that we were able to get a little bit of sleep and we made it to where we wanted to go, and that it ended up being the most beautiful place. Yeah, those are just some ideas that I had. It's definitely been difficult, not gonna lie, but I think that once Vietnam is kind of crazy, which is great. It's a great experience and it's really fun, and the people are so nice and everyone's so happy, so that's pretty wonderful. But it's just chaotic and it's hard to find time to yourself in all of it. So those are some ideas I had, so I'm gonna put those into practice these next few days and for the rest of my trip, and so we'll see how it goes. Thanks guys for watching. I will see you all in the Philippines. We just have a couple more days, but I think I'm just gonna relax and chill. I think we might go to the beach today for a little while, so maybe I'll have a little bit of footage of that, but next time I see you, I'll be in the Philippines, and I'm so excited to just land on the beach, drink coconuts, just have a peaceful time. Maybe try surfing. But anyways, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and follow me on the gram if you want to connect. But I love you all. See you soon.